everybody. Nancy here. My lovely BB. She's trying to hide, but there you can see her. BB went to the groomer on Sunday, so she's a pretty girl, and she knows it. Gonna do another unboxing today. This came in a box, big box from Amazon, and this lovely box was inside. Now when they come in a box like that, they come out perfect. If they come through the mail from China, the boxes tend to be squished. Squished. I don't see any. Oh, yeah, there's tools in there. There they are. There's nice tools in there. There is a green funnel tray, a pen with a soft grippy, tweezers, pink wax, and the pen has a single and a 6 placer tip. That's wonderful. No bags, which is fine. Here's the drills, and they sent me a sheet. Oh, this is the one from my friend who is in our Facebook group. It's called Butterfly Fairy. Very, very pretty pink fairy. And I will put the image up for you so you can see it up close. This is a 40 by 30, which is what I'm tending to buy these days. There's a few that I want to go bigger because I want to catch the detail, but I think 40 by 30 is pretty good size. This is not cut. BB, where you going, honey? Oh, she's jerking the cord around. She's standing on it. Come on, get your foot off. Sorry. Sorry for the movement. BB's just passing through. Here we go. Now I got my arm on it. Come on, BB. Come on. Good girl. She does not like me doing the videos here. She thinks this is her spot. You know, I really inconvenience these puppies when I have to get up. So that's very pretty. Very, very pretty. Let's look up close so you can see the symbols. And the printing is very clear. This is a full drill square. I'm gonna have to ask, I don't know how to say her name, Liu, something like that. I sound funny saying that. I want to hear her say, I like to hear people say their names so that I can repeat them and pronounce it properly. I was always taught that names are important. And with a last name like Higginbottom, I do agree. Okay, we're all peeled up. And it's all put back down. I have a key on both sides. I've never seen that before. That's awesome. There's a key here, and then there's another key on the other side. And then there's a key in the bag, which is usually what I work off of. What are you doing, baby? She's like, move that lap desk. I want to lay down. Butterfly Fairy. Let's take a look at the drills and see how they came out. Now this store has a lot of patterns, and I need to get the link from her because I would like to order from her again. This came very fast, came from Amazon, so the product is in the US already. Jolly Life is the name of the store. She has a number of real beautiful images. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 25, 30 colors. You know, for once I see directions in English that are clear and legible and understandable. The translation is very good. Alright, I'm counting backwards. 16, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And what's this? Oh, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. And she's given the DMC number. It's on the legend, and it's on every bag. This was packed perfectly, shipped quickly. I would really highly suggest this store. The owner speaks English very well. She's in our Facebook group, Fancy Nancy Diamond Painting, so you can ask her questions and things, which I know a lot of people like. Speaking to someone who you can really understand everything she says. She's very sweet, very helpful. I am very happy with this diamond painting. No issues. It came packaged well. It's clear. DMC numbers are all there. This would be a really good one to start, like when you're first stepping up. Like I started doing a few partials and then I stepped up and did a couple fulls. And this is a really nice size and a lovely image for kind of an intermediate diamond painter, and you're ready to take on a little bigger challenge than a partial. I would definitely go with this. And she had a number of images that I saw that I would readily buy. You know, I'm trying not to buy everything under the sun because I have a lot to do, but I still can't help myself. I very happy to get this. A+ from Fancy Nancy. And thank you for joining me. And I hope you tune in for the next one. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell if you want to be notified. After you subscribe, you'll be notified of any live paint with me's that I do. And have a great day. Take care, all. Bye-bye.